Well, after the last Ipsy mystery bag, I am not sure what to think, but I am really hoping that Ipsy does not do me dirty again. Hey beautifuls! Welcome back to my channel today where we do lots of unboxings. As you saw, we are doing another Ipsy mystery bag. Now, I've said this before, you guys. The Ipsy mystery bags are very hit or miss. And the last bag that I opened up, oh my gosh, it just annoyed me, you guys. It was such a huge mess. I even told you guys I don't recommend it. And I just hope that today's mystery bag, I just want to break even. Actually, no, I just want what they promise in their advertisement on their website. Because that's what happened with the last bag, is they advertised full-size products and I got a sample-sized item in there. So I'm hoping for today's mystery bag that we get at least what was advertised, but if I can break even, that would even be better. So today we're going to be unboxing the Smell the Roses mystery bag. Now this is available through the Ipsy shop. I will be posting a link down below for you if you would like to purchase this bag. Keep in mind, it is a mystery bag. So for the most part, we all pretty much receive the exact same items, but because it is a mystery bag, Ipsy can change things at any moment. So it could vary if you decide to purchase it, and it might be something different than what I have here today. But if you are interested, like I said, I have that link down below. So this is what the bag itself looks like. And I have to tell you guys, it is beautiful. I think it is a gorgeous print. Ironically, it's called Smell the Roses, and I don't feel like these look like roses. To me, they look like peonies. Now, I could be totally off base. Maybe it's just like an artist's interpretation of roses, but I don't know. I just don't see roses personally, but it's still very, very cute. Now, this is a more firm fabric, so actually, it's not even like a fabric, it's a material. So it's not like a real plushy one or real soft or anything, but I do think it'll be great if you do have any liquid spilled, you can clean this up real easy because it's so slick. It almost feels like a vinyl material. Now for the zipper, you can see we've got this pink trim here, but it's got kind of like a rose gold design on the charm. So really pretty bag. Love the way that this looks. So this is supposed to have 5 sample-sized items inside of this, and I paid $16 for this bag. Now, I do have to pay sales tax on that, and because I ordered this with a couple of other products from their website, I was charged a $2 handling fee, but that was for the entire order. So for my review today, I'm gonna say that this cost me about $18 with the $16 and the taxes that I paid. First item that we have in here is from the new company. This is their Skin Filter Serum. It is 10 ml of product. I mean, it is definitely a sample size, you guys. So this will be our serum. The new company is a decent brand. I don't mind them, so I will use this one. It's supposed to brighten and even out your skin's texture, and it looks like there is retinol in this. That's the only ingredient that sometimes you have to be careful with, so if you're not sure if it will work well for your skin, just try it in a small area down on your neck first, just to make sure you don't have any sensitivities. But I do think it's a good brand, and I will always use a brightening serum, so this one I don't mind. The next item that I have in here is from Juice Beauty. Oh, so is this a mascara? Yeah, it's their Ultra Natural Mascara, and it's in the shade Black. So this is definitely sample size again. You know, to be honest with you, I forgot that Juice Beauty even made mascaras, but I vaguely remember now that yes, they did do this. It was a few years back that I tried it. So usually they have great skincare products, and I love their moisturizers. They also do have a retinol product that is really good as well. So great brand, but they're known mostly for skincare and not so much makeup. This one is supposed to give you peptides back to your lashes. That way it's a healthy mascara as well. Healthy in terms of like it will help your lashes to grow longer. So this is what your wand will look like. I do love the helix that it has on here, so it looks like it will give you a really good coat. And I feel like it's gonna give you lots of length because of the fibers that it has. My next product is from Silky. This is the Hair Detangler Spray. So we have 1 ounce or 30 ml. It is a fully sealed bottle, so that's why it's a little bit reflective. But it is vegan and cruelty-free. And it says it expires in 2026, so we have plenty of time to use this. You can detangle your hair while preventing snaps and splits with this spray. So you're just gonna wanna spritz this onto damp hair, and then you will brush afterwards then. You don't wanna be soaking wet. Make sure it's just damp. I would towel dry first, that way the product can actually get to your hair and not be washed away. But this will help to take out any tangles that you might have. I do think this is an appropriate sample. An ounce, especially for hair care products, you need quite a bit of it in order to try it out to know if it's gonna work or not for you. Like, I mean, you know, you've got a lot of hair, it's a lot to cover. So I feel like this is good. Any smaller than this is honestly, it's just not enough product to even know if you like it or not. I do have a brush inside of my bag today, which I don't know. I don't really love getting single brushes in the mystery bags, only because, I don't know, it feels lackluster is the best way to describe it. I don't know why, but I just don't like it per se. I don't mind getting brushes in some of my boxes, but when it's just one single brush, it's like, I don't know, I wish I would have gotten another beauty product to actually try out. Now, I do think this handle here is very cool. It's very psychedelic. I love it. This is a packing brush, and it's kind of interesting the way that this is cut. Do you see how low it is here? And then it comes up really high in the back. So I do like that when you go to pick up pigment, you'll be able to really get it, and then you can tap and pack that in on your eyelid up there for your shadows. So I kind of like the design to this. I will definitely use this brush, so I don't hate it. I just don't love when it's in a mystery bag. Last item that we have in our bag today is from Gold Faden MD. This is their Plant Profusion Energetic Eye Cream. We have 4 grams or 0.14 ounce here today. So this is our eye cream. Great brand. Gold Faden makes the Bright Eyes serum, I think it is. Is it a serum or is it a cream? But it's a really good product. I've used it several times before. Actually, I've gotten it in Ipsy several times, and it really does help to brighten up that under eye area. The difference, I think, between the two of them is that this is more plant-based ingredients. So this was designed to be a clean beauty product. So inside of this one, you're definitely going to see some different acids. There's glycerin in here as well, which are all great ingredients to have. But then there's quinoa seed in here. There's also hyaluronic acid, which is great. But then yes, there's grape juice extract, lots of different flowers and pink grapefruit, lemon, lime. So lots of plant-based or natural ingredients that are included in this one. So I feel like this will be a good eye cream overall, and I do like that it is clean beauty. But again, you're definitely getting samples inside of this bag. So that is everything inside of the Smell of the Roses mystery bag from Ipsy. Overall, gotta say, I really like that I got what I ordered. I got what was advertised. So yes, this bag does come with 5 sample size products inside of it. Hallelujah, we at least got what I ordered. As far as whether or not this bag is worth it, for $18 to receive these products. But overall, I just don't know that I would pay $18. That if I laid these out before you, would you pay $18 for these 5 products? And I feel like I'd go, yeah, I would buy this for $10, but I don't know that I would spend $18 on it if I had that option. So if you're interested in this mystery bag, this is potentially what you will receive for it. I don't know. I feel like this one's average. I'm going to put it right in the middle. I feel like it's an average mystery bag. It's not one that I feel like you have to run and get. I think it is, if you need to save your money, it's an easy pass. But I don't think it is the worst mystery bag that Ipsy has ever done before either. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know what you think of this mystery bag from Ipsy. We can chit chat all about it. And again, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button down there as well and give this video a like. That greatly helps my channel. So I'm so appreciative when you guys are able to do that. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. And I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!